Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Judith, but you can call me Jude. This video is a bit different than other videos, but I love to share my tips and techniques with you. So here it is, a video about how to make your own stickers. You can use them for your lunchbox, to make your presents more personal or to store things. At the end, I show you 2 bonus tips, so stay tuned. First we start by gathering our materials, and I'm quite sure that you have most items already at home. Let's start. You need transparent tape. The bigger the tape, the bigger your image or sticker can be. Or use transparent adhesive foil. You need baking paper or parchment paper, scissors, and optional, a cutting machine and a ruler. You need an illustration and a photo or something from a magazine to make the sticker. Measure the image by placing the tape on the image and cut it in shape. Cut also the baking paper a bit bigger than the image and cut the tape 2 times between the size of the paper and the image. Put the baking paper in front of you on the table and tape your first tape on the baking paper. Now put the image with the image side to you on the tape and tape the second tape on the image. So baking paper and illustration are pointing up and the tapes are pointing down. Make sure that the sticker is in place so you can use a sharp item like a tweezer and go around the image, but you can also use your nail. Now cut with a small line around the sticker and tada! Your sticker is ready for placing. You can make your own washi tape from your favorite gift wrapping paper or a sheet from a magazine. Flow magazine is perfect for this. Or you can also use a filled painting. Don't use very thick paper because you can't bend it. You can make the strokes as big as you like. I recommend to use self-adhesive transparent foil instead of transparent tape. Cut the paper in even strokes and put a sheet of baking paper on the table. Add the first layer of self-adhesive foil and then add the strokes with a small space between them. And optional, put a small tape on top. Then add the second layer of transparent foil and make sure the tapes or foils touch each other and cut between the strokes. And now you're done. The second bonus is actually a tutorial overview. Use for this option both options for bigger image. Instead of tape, you will use adhesive foil and follow the steps. Add baking paper, add the tape/foil and add the image pointing up. Add the second layer of foil pointing down and cut everything and keep a small line around the image. Now we've come to the end of the video and I hope you have learned something and you have made some stickers yourself. And if you want to share them, please tag at artbyjuud and I can give you a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. I hope to see you next time and thanks for watching.